Hello, Pets Rule Show on the road. I'm here in Sam's Club and I'm gonna show you all the pet deals they got. So as you can see, I'm here with Charlie, right? And like I told you, they do have great pet deals. Here we have the Friskies. Charlie, calm down. Look at the Friskies here. And it is only Gravy Pleaser Variety Pack, $42.93. We have two different types, right? We have this one, right? 60, and this one is same price, $42.93. You can see. Okay, Charlie's acting up. It's time for me to say goodbye.